eyebrow. Ooh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create these eyebrows. So if you struggle with doing your eyebrows, I will show you what I use and how I create them, the arch, cutting them out, everything, and I'll show you the exact products that I use. Let's get started, shall we? So I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution eyebrow pomade in medium brown. This is my go-to eyebrow pomade. I've used it forever and it is so good, like it gets the defined brows. I only use this on like this portion of my brow and then I leave it, but I will show you. This is what it looks like. It comes in a little pot thing, you know. To do them I use the e.l.f. angled brush, and it's just like a small little, you know, as it says in the title, angled brush. And I just go over the edge of my brow. I just follow around the shape of my natural eyebrow. I did recently shave the end of my eyebrow off, so I'm just kind of like waiting for that to grow back. But I just follow like the natural shape of where it would go. I just like to make it like a little bit thicker than it naturally would be, just to give it a more defined shape. And I do bring it down towards the front a little bit, but I stop before I get like near. Like if you look, this is the front of my brow and I stop around here and I leave this bare. I like to just go through and kind of like blend it all into the centre of my brow as well. Make sure it's all through there. Now the eyebrow is partially done, I take this random brow powder. I have no idea where this is from and it doesn't say, but it came with like a brow gel and it's old and disgusting and it doesn't have a lid. But this is what I'm using right now, so that's just it, okay? I take the darkest shade and I dip the same brush into that slightly. I just draw like brush strokes up like so. Look at that brow, like look at the difference. Like it just lifts your face, your eyebrows. Your eyebrows are the nipples of the face. So now I like to carve out my eyebrows, and to do that I use the P. Louise Mirror brush. I don't know which one it is, it's the white one. It came with in the pack with the beige shade too. And I use the e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-hour concealer in fair beige. You know, and if you don't know, this is my favourite concealer in the whole world. So if you're looking for a good concealer, this is it. Just carve out the underneath of the brow. I'll zoom in and do it again on this side and show you exactly what I do. Carve out with the pomade the shape of my eyebrow where I want it to go. So I want it to go like that. I want it to stop there. Then I get the pomade again and I go around the top section and carve out the shape up there. I follow the natural shape of my eyebrow, but like I said, you can make any shape you want. Like if you're like, I don't like the shape of my eyebrows, draw a new shape. Do what you want. Fill that in then with the pomade when the shape is how I like it. What you need to remember is eyebrows are sisters, not twins. As you can see right now. And if you go too far down or anything, don't worry, because you clean it up with a concealer like that is what the concealer is for, to make it look nicer, more put together. You will see, trust the process of brows, trust. I then go into this weird powder that I don't know where it's from, I'm really sorry, but a brow powder. Just use a powder, you're all good. You could probably use this actually, I have done before, but just get a brow powder. And you just need a thin brush like this one, the e.l.f. Cosmetics small angled brush, and you just want to make it look like hairs. So you just do brush strokes up to make it look like there's little hairs there. P. Louise flat brush, you can use any flat brush really, it just needs to be a flat brush. And when I say flat, it needs to be flat. Like it can't be a thick eyeshadow brush, it needs to be flat. Or it's gonna get messy, it's gonna go wrong. Don't blame me, I told you what to use, I told you what you need. I go underneath the brow like this. If you don't really have like an arched brow, this is where you could take the concealer further up and create an arch. And then I like to blend that down. See, when I'm doing eyeshadow, which I will be afterwards, when I do it, look at this little stray brow hair sticking out. Can you see this? What are you doing? Get back in line. I'll take the concealer down my lid as well and use it as an eye base, because the 16-hour camo concealer is amazing for everything. It's like £5 and it's so good. Brows can look a bit crazy before you do the rest of your face, because obviously your eyebrows frame your face. Like, look at my eyebrows now. They're taking over the show and it looks crazy with all the concealer around them. But don't worry, when you've done the rest of your face, they look 10 out of 10. Like, they are looking good. I'm gonna leave this one here. I am gonna carry on the rest of my makeup and record that on another video, so that will be there on my next video. But thanks for watching this one. I hope you learned a bit about how to do your brows, or how I do my brows. People were asking me. I change up how I do my brows all the time, so this is a brow tutorial for how I'm doing them right now, but it might change next week, who knows. I hope you're all staying safe and you're all coping with this isolation. You've just got to make the best out of this situation. Like, there's people much worse off than we are. Like, I'm at home in my little bubble, being able to film videos and take pictures. I'm quite happy right now, but I hope everyone is okay. So hit that like button, subscribe down below, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a new video, and thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.